Hi everyone, I'm Tim from Sonoma Valley, and I'm sitting here at Hopmonk in Sonoma. And Hopmonk is not only the place that has the best happy hour in Sonoma, it's famous for its beer. Ta-da! It's famous for other things like their hamburgers. Nice hamburgers! And they're famous for other things like their fish and chips, which just came out of Sonoma Creek. Thank you, looks fantastic. And if you're vegetarian, we got something for you. We got samosas right here on the menu. That all looks delicious. I'm gonna be eating that and drinking this. But let's find out what's happening this week in Sonoma Valley. First off this week, we've got February 7th, Pliny the Younger is being released. This is a cult beer. Russian River Brewery does it. It's a triple IPA, usually only available limited times, right? Very limited places, but there's a very good chance, and I'm looking at the manager, there's a very good chance it might possibly be available here at Hopmonk sometime during their limited release starting February 7th through usually the end of February is when it's happening. So check that out, Pliny the Younger. Next up, I'm gonna have a beer. What kind of beer is this?
Keller beer.
Unfiltered Pilsner called a Keller beer. It's delicious. You'll have to trust me or come on down and try some. So next up, February 8th and 9th, we have the Olive Odyssey at JACUZZI Winery. This is a great event because it's the world of olives comes together. Olive tours, olive oil, olive recipes, olive, I love it all, olive, I don't know, lots of olive stuff. It's at JACUZZI Winery and it's free, so come check that out. That's February 8th and 9th. Then coming up, February 14th and 15th at Safari West. You guys ready for this? Wild Jungle Love. It's at the safari vehicle. They're going around. You learn the ins and outs of wildlife courtship. You learn intimate details about the mating habits of bongos, giraffes, elands, wildebeest, gazelles, zebras, cheetahs, and more. Matt, interesting fact. You ready for this? When the male warthog wants to attract the female warthog, the male warthog makes a sound that sounds like a car in need of a tune-up. And if you listen behind me, we might hear some warthog sounds from the people at the bar. I don't know, but this seems like kind of a thing that you would hear. You were a musician, you know it. So anyway, February 14th and 15th, Safari West. This is for adults only, no kids, no kids. So there you go. All right, next up, what do we got? Oh, here's an image of some lemurs that are romantic with each other. Little people, you don't know this, but lemurs have roses in their hands and they give them to each other. That's what happens. Okay, after I'm finished eating all this delicious food, I've had this beer, it's time to get some of that out of me, so I'm gonna do yoga. It's the yoga retreat at Westerbeek Ranch. You do some yoga for a couple days, you'll also do a bit of wine tasting. Body Flows is hosting this, it's a 3-night retreat there. I don't know if you do yoga. Matt, you do yoga? You don't do yoga? Austin, you do yoga? No? Yeah, a little bit of yoga, all right. So this is your chance to learn a bit of yoga. It's for beginners up to experts. It also includes a yin class, a special yoga and essential oils chakra balancing workshops. You guys balance chakras here? Yeah, a lot of chakra balancing here at Hopmonk. You have live music though. A lot of live music here. Cool spot. Guys, Sonoma County Restaurant Week is coming up. It's the most delicious week in Sonoma County. It's so good, it's not just 7 days. We're doing it for 10 days because that's how we do stuff here in Sonoma. So February 21st through March 1st, Restaurant Week. The event is so delicious, 7 days can't contain it. Now the people in Sonoma that are participating, Sunflower Cafe, Tips Roadside up in Kenwood, Mary's Pizza Shack, Real and Brand, The Girl and the Fig, Sonoma Grill, Red Grape, and Hopmonk Sonoma. So check it out. I was gonna show off Hopmonk. I don't have any Hopmonk stuff. I'll have to get it. It's February 28th, but this year, like every 4 years, we add another day. It becomes February 29th. Leap Day, Green Music Center, Las Cafeteras is playing. This is a great band. You're a musician, Matt. Great, great band. Go check them out. They're out of East LA. They got a sound they call Afro-Mexican Beats. It was called like Son Music. Really amazing. I've seen them. I went there with my friend Robert. Hey, Robert, for his birthday. I'm going to go back this year. So check it out February 29th at the Green Music Center. And that's definitely something to do on Leap Day. All right. Now, you're probably wondering, are there more things to do? Yeah, there are a lot of things to do. First of all, go to the Hopmonk website because they always have live music here, a lot of cool events. You guys have local bands, touring bands. You have comedians, I think, come in here.
Two more venues, one in Sebastopol.
2 more venues, one in Sebastopol, which is not in Sonoma Valley, but I still like it. And Novato, which is nearby. But Sonoma's the best. So go to the Hopmonk Sonoma website. We'll put it down here somewhere. It's like hopmonksonoma.com or something like that. Otherwise, you want Sonoma Valley information, go to sonomavalley.com for all the latest news and information. And thank you very much for watching. And with that, I say cheers. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to Chase, Christian, and Craig. I love you.